Sunrise Motel. You can see how far the waves are coming up to the beach. High tide. So you can see how far the waves are coming up to the beach. High tide. That's right at Seaside Heights, and here we are. We're going to do it all over again, and we're going to have some fun fun on this beautiful Sunday morning right here. Getting hot out already. It's still summertime, and we're going to enjoy that. Well, it's summertime, and we're going to enjoy this hot weather and maybe jump in the ocean today or something like that. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, I think we'll wrap it up there. Right, Pee-wee. By the way, this is Pee-wee. And we're sad to report that Pee-wee's sibling, Peanut, no, let me start over again. This is Peanut. And we're sad to report that Pee-wee, Peanut's sibling, has passed away. And, But Peanut's taking it pretty good, so. Hey, Peanut. So, we'll miss Pee-wee. And she appeared in many of our videos. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. And we'll see you real soon. Right, Peanut?